stuck in Houston.
For an extra 10 minutes.
Yeah. We're sitting together. Here we go. We have one-way tickets to Toronto.
So flat.
Isn't he cute?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard United Express, operated by Mesa Airlines, a member of the Star Alliance Network. At this time, we would like to remind you that
We made it. All my bags.
Terminal 1.
You guys, I have the most exciting news ever and I'm so excited to share with you. Okay, so let me just fill y'all in on what just happened to me, and I'm gonna try and zoom out because it's really close to my face. Okay, so last night Dakota and I flew from Austin. So we spent a couple days there with his family, which was super fun. I didn't really vlog a whole lot. And we were just like working out and hanging out with his family, so I didn't really want to vlog, but we were just there for a couple days. And last night we flew from Austin to Toronto and we got in at around 1:30, and I had an interview today at 10:30, and I was just kind of nervous, but it was kind of good because it was like so chaotic that I wasn't really thinking about the interview, because like when I overthink things, it just like makes me really nervous. I'd almost rather like be super busy and not be thinking about and like over stressing. So I had my interview this morning and I wasn't nervous, like I was kind of like weirdly chill, but at the same time I was like, okay, I'm going to an interview. Like going back a little bit, when I was in California a couple weeks ago, I'd had a phone interview with them and it went really well, so I kind of figured I was like gonna get the job, but I wasn't really sure if it was gonna work with my schedule. I didn't want to work at nights when Dakota got home from work, so then we'd have like flop schedules and like never see each other. Because I'm only up here for 4 months, I didn't want to like have a flop schedule that whole time, because then why would I be up here? Moral of the story, I just had my interview with him and it went really well. I was there for almost like 3 hours. I don't know how all that time passed. But yeah, it went super well and I'm really, really excited. It's the cutest fitness boutique ever. It's all for women and the aesthetic is insane. It's so cute, and basically I'm going to be doing their social media, making their content creation for all of their socials, whether that's like videography, that type of thing, and then I'm also going to be making sort of like flyers and promotional stuff for like all of their camps that they offer, and I'm super excited. And then I'm also going to be coaching gymnastics with little kids there. Like the moms are working out, they can leave their kids there. It's super cool, and I get to work out there as well, so that's dope. Well, I'm seriously so excited. I got in my Uber and I had like the cutest Uber driver ever, and he was like, how are you? And I told him, I was like, I got a job, and he was like, oh, I'm so happy for you, and like was seriously so cute. It was so funny, and that just like really made my day, and he was like the sweetest person ever. I'm really excited. I'm in my apartment, I'm back with Dakota, I'm so excited, and now I get to finally like move all my stuff in. I haven't even like unpacked my bag. These are the clothes I wore yesterday to the airport. Literally I wore this exact outfit, but it's a gym, that's why I wore like workout clothes to the interview, if you're wondering. And I asked if I could wear this because I like didn't know if that was like, I wanted to be sure. So that's happening in my life right now. I'm gonna call my mom and tell her that I got a job. I'm so excited. And I'm really also excited to like do my YouTube stuff and to have a job. I feel like that'll be easier just to have a consistent income, and to also be like doing my blog on the side. Not like on the back burner, just like cut in half. And I'm specifically building my schedule so I can have time to like do my YouTube stuff still. And I'm super excited. So this morning I was trying to sleep in because we got back at like 1:30 and I had my interview this morning, and I was trying to sleep in until my interview, and this annoying like vibrate kept going off for like an hour, and I couldn't find what it was, but I could feel the floor shaking and I could feel the wall shaking. So I'm starting to think either like our neighbor has something vibrating, or there's literally something vibrating like between the drywall or something. So I need to figure out what this little vibrate is, because it's gonna drive me crazy. So hopefully I'm gonna go look for it now, because it's doing it right now. You can't hear it, but I can like feel it and hear it. So that's a little life update for you guys. I'm so excited to take you on this Toronto journey with me. I feel like an adult and I'm really excited, and I'm just really happy to be here with Dakota and try something new and just experience like a new city, and a big city, might I add. All right, Bye guys, this is the longest vlog ever. Bye. I wonder if this is gonna be like 30 minutes long. Also, can't wait to show you guys our apartment. It's so cool. It actually is like the coolest apartment ever. Ended up working out because we needed something like really fast because we had no place to live, and Airbnbs cost a lot of money if you live in them like for 4 months. So I can't wait to show you guys. I'll give you a little sneak peek of the kitchen. Looks like that. This side looks like that. So I just took my tripod out and I found this little teeny baby screw. I was like, oh gosh, it must have been something on my tripod. And I just said tripod, so weird. The leg is gone. It's not there. I'm so confused. Where is the other part of the leg? Oh. What? Oh, I get it. Figured it out. That's where the little screw goes. Just making some purchases for the bedroom. My hangers and more hangers. And now we're looking at bath mats.
Lots of cool stuff.
We got the goods from Winners. So we just got back from Winners, which I'm pretty sure is like Canada's version of like TJ Maxx Home Goods. And so I wanted to show you guys what we got. I got some room stuff. I'm super excited, and let me show you. Okay, I'm gonna crouch down, but first we got 2 sets of these hangers. And they're just the fabric lined ones that are like soft and they like grip the clothing, and these are really good because they're super narrow, so they don't take up a whole lot of room compared to like the plastic ones. So we got 2 of those, and then I got this blanket that was so cute, and it has these little tassels on the ends that I thought was adorable, so I'm gonna put this in our bedroom. Here is the second set of those. And then we just got some random like salt and pepper, which you don't need to really see. I got a washcloth on sale for $3, which I just needed a plain one and then I can bleach it just to like wash my face. And then I got this really cute bin. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's just like a really fun pattern. I feel like this is like super in too. And I'm gonna keep like all of my camera gear and stuff and my little tripod just so I can get everything in like one little area. So that's everything I got. I'm really excited. I'm gonna try and like personalize our bedroom though. That should help. And yes, I love Winners, you guys. It like made my heart happy because I felt like I was in TJ Maxx. If you're obsessed like me, you know the feeling. Look how cute. Dakota brought this from when I made it for Christmas, and it's on our little windowsill. So I just hung a lot of my clothes and then put a lot of stuff in this drawer. Thank God for that one, or else I would seriously have no room. And then this is what I'm trying to clean up. So thankfully, I have a lot of under bed storage. So in this one, I just put all my workout clothes. I have tops and bottoms. And then this one, I have underwear, PJs, bras, socks, underwear, that whole thing. Hey guys, so I'm at Dax practice and I wanted to take you along with me, and I'm just sitting here alone, so let's do this. I'm in here and vlog because I just got back from my first day of work and it was so great, but I have to tell you about my travel experiences because I am so stupid. Okay, so on the way there, it worked out great, nothing, I had no problems. I was a little bit stressed because I didn't know if they took like coins or not for sure, but they totally did and it was fine. But then I was doing an Insta story, if you follow me on Instagram, and I got off a stop too late. Like literally I look up and I was like, oh shoot, that was my stop, as I was like going past it, and I was like, it's okay, I'll just get off on the next one. And it added probably on like 10 more minutes of walking, not a big deal. Then on my way home, I get off at the right stop. Thankfully, I like happened to look up when, because you're on there for like quite a while, so like you kind of like lose track of time. Anyways, so I get off at the right stop and then I keep walking and I just walk and walk and walk, and like I swear all the street corners just like look the same because it's all city like stuff. And so I wasn't really paying attention, and all of a sudden I'm like way past where I live, and I ended up on a street corner and my phone died. So I had literally no way to figure out where I was. Like, I couldn't even check. It was terrible. Anyways, so I'm like, okay, I have my laptop. I need to bust my laptop out to like charge my phone. So I take my laptop out and charge it, and it literally will not come back to life. And so it's probably been like 10 minutes and it still won't turn on for some reason. It's still off. I don't even know why it wouldn't turn on. I'm so hot though, oh my gosh. And so I'm just like, okay, my phone will turn on eventually, it'll all be fine. So I'm on my laptop and I'm like, maybe there's like a Wi-Fi here that's like unlocked. Like that would just be a gift from God, like please. So I'm like looking at all the Wi-Fis and I see one that doesn't have a lock on it. So I tried it and it worked. And I was literally just like, and then my laptop like wouldn't find my location for some reason. So then I was like, great, like I know where I need to go, but I still don't know where I am. So then I was like trying to look at the street signs and everything. Like I felt literally so dumb. Like I'm on the corner of the street with my laptop open, like a busy intersection. I have my laptop, my phone, my charger, and I'm just like, and I asked somebody and he was like, sorry, I'm not from the area. And I was like, oh gosh, me neither. But anyways, so then my phone never turns on and I'm like, okay, whatever. How did it finally find my location? Oh, I typed in the street corners, but thank God for that Wi-Fi, you guys. Oh my gosh, I would still be on that street corner. I ended up being like 10 minutes away from home because I just like overshot it because I didn't realize that I just like passed where we lived because it kind of all looks the same. But I made it back, and it took me like 2 hours, I think, to get here. But yeah, my first day of work was great. I love where I work. I'm so stoked to work there. And I think it's a perfect fit for me. It's literally just like, I feel so comfortable there, and everybody has such a great mindset, and I really love it. So I'm super excited. I had to fill you guys in because seriously, I was like, are you kidding me, Blaire? Like, this is ridiculous. Like, you messed up a little bit the first time, but like, you really just walked past it? Like, come on. But now I feel like I really know how to get there and get back. So that's good.